Hi guys, welcome back. So during pandemic time, while explaining while loops for my Python book, while writing this book, Python book for VFX artists, I was thinking about writing this game, like a basketball game, to explain while loop concepts in that book. So the while loop is simple. So in terms like in the basketball, we can see that once the ball started gone into the player's hands, so until it reaches basket, it will be keep moving between the hands of players. So that's the concept. So until it reaches basket, it will be keep moving. So it's like a while loop. So here we can see that there are two teams, dragons and titans. So titans team is here, dragons team is here. So while playing this game, it will be switching between the different cameras. So now let's start the game. So every time we start the game, the players will be keep moving slightly from their actual places. While the game is being played, so wherever this ball is going on, we can see that the curve will be generated in that direction. So this person to this person, ball is carried forward. Ball is thrown. So until it reaches one of these baskets, so it will be keep moving between the players. So from which player to which player it is moving, we can see that. Currently, I have used 3 in between frames for while it is moving from one player to another player. So we can see that 3 poses. So every time ball is moving between the players, so we can see that all the players are facing towards the ball until the ball reaches the game. Until ball reaches the basket, we can see that score made by dragons. So this is the tool. Here I can't edit the values. So this UI I have generated with my latest custom GPT, Meta GUI. Like here it is writing for Maya Python 2.7 and Maya 2020, and it is just fine tuning a bit of original instructions whatever I have given. We can see that here it is creating titans and dragons. Set read only, this particular value, whatever the score it is there, it is setting it to read only. That means only program can update those score values. We can't edit manually. So that's how I designed this game, guys. So this interface I have designed using this GPT. Let's get back. Now dragons has made 1 point. Once the 3 points, whatever the team it has scored more, that's the final winner. Now once it is done, so we are in one cam view. So we can go to any different cam, we can go to perspective cam. Okay, this guy made the goal, last goal, and now once I start next score or next shot, it will be changing the view. Now we can see the players are slightly moving from their positions and all. Now let us see which team is going to make the point. Wow, this time team Titans has made the point. That's awesome. The tough competition is going on from the beginning. So Dragons made 1 point and the Titans made 1 more point. That's cool. Now let's go to next point. So this time cam view, it has chosen the same view. So wherever the ball is going on, all the people are rotating towards that ball. They have to put the point, that means ball in the opposite basket. So until we can see that until the ball is going to this basket, it's keep moving between the players. I hope you guys enjoying the game, right? So do you guys think we can play the game within my interface? I never believed it, but somehow I figured out the logic. So finally I'm able to do this one. So we can see that dragons made 2 points. Now let us see who is next. So now ball is with the dragons. Let us see if they can make the goal. So now ball moved to Titans. Dear Titans, keep pick up. So ball is moving within the Titans team. Still within the Titans team. Now ball came to Dragons. Let us see who is going to make the next point. Wow, it's keep moving between the players. Let us see how far it goes. So until it reaches basket, it will be keep moving between the players. So when it will choose randomly the basket, we never know. Wow, finally Titans made another point. Now both are equally. Yeah, tough competition is going on, guys. Let us see who is next. I am enjoying this game. I hope you guys also enjoying the game. So yeah, the ball is coming to Dragons. Wow. So finally, no, Dragons can't make the point on their side. Let us see. Okay, since they made point on their side, it is on hold. We need to quickly move on to next point. Okay, cool. Okay, it's keep moving within the players. Whoever makes next point, they are the winners. I'm a bit curious who will be the winners, Dragons or Titans. A tough competition is going on, guys. Wow. So now the ball is with Titans. Hope Titans will. They can't make on their side. Let us see. Still the game is flowing forward until they make the point opposite side. Again the same, they can't make the point on their own side. If Dragons can do the point, let us see. So ball is moving between the Dragons. So this archway ball is moving, and players are always facing towards the ball. So finally, wow, Titans team won. That's cool. So score made by Titans, and then another message will pop up. So Titans are the winners. So let us see who are Titans. So yeah, this team won the game. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed playing the game in Maya interface. Thank you for watching.